I'm Dufresne, and I'm president of EPT Clean Oil. A few months back, we had a customer in Peru contact us. They had a client that was having some high water problems on a hydraulic control system with a gas turbine. Water levels were around 609 parts per million, which is not good for a turbine hydraulic control system. So a device was ordered, we call it the TMR, and it was sent over to Peru. There was a big trip, lots of travel over to Peru, and met with COAMSA in Lima. And from Lima, we traveled out about roughly 100 kilometers to a small town out in the desert called Chilca. That was where the power plant was located that had the high water problem. Once we got to the site, we met with the people. A team was formed. We got a plan, and the device was installed with collaboration and support from the site. The total time to install the device was just under 4 hours. We took some initial samples. Again, they were around 609 parts per million. The device was set and oil was monitored. What we found was that within 19 days, the initial water reduction went down to 195. And over about 26 or 27 days, additional water was removed from that system down to approximately 96 parts per million. It was a big solution for the customer. Water is a big enemy for them. It causes lots of problems. They embraced the solution, and the device is running currently very successfully. The benefits to the TMR product is that it will keep oxygen out of your system. People ask, how does it do this? Well, the TMR N2 will form a layer of nitrogen just above the top of the oil level inside the headspace. The benefits to that is once that nitrogen is in there, not only will it keep it dry, remove water, but that same blanket of high purity nitrogen, about 97%, will create an insulating layer, if you would, and prevent oxygen and other products from entering the oil. If you'd like additional information on the TMR N2 product, feel free to contact EPT Clean Oil or your local distributor.